Hi children, welcome back to our channel. In this video, today I would like to explain about what is the mirror equation and what are the terms in mirror equation and how we can find out the focal length of a concave mirror by using some lab activity. So children, mirror equation is most important for 2 marks question, and finding the focal length of a concave mirror by using some lab activity, that is important for 4 marks. My textbook lo lab activity కింద మెన్షన్ చేయడం జరిగింది ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ని. మిర్రర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి, దాంట్లో టర్మ్స్ ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమంటాడు ఎగ్జామ్ లో. సో కాబట్టి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. సో దట్స్ వై లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ఇట్. చిల్డ్రన్, what is a mirror equation? So mirror equation is represented by the equation 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is called a mirror equation. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, that is called mirror equation. And the terms in the mirror equation, already you know that what is f, where f is what? Focal length. What is the focal length? Distance between pole and focus is called focal length. And here v is the image distance. Image distance. The distance between mirror and screen or image. The distance between the pole of the mirror to the image is called image distance. The distance between pole and image is called image distance, that can be represented by the letter v. And here u. What is u? U means here object distance. What is it, children? Object distance. Clear? What is f? Focal length. And what is v? Image distance. And what is u? Object distance. I think all of you know about the focal length. The distance between pole and focus is called focal length. And just now only I told you what is image distance. Distance between here pole to focus, what we call focal length. Pole to the focus, what we call focal length. Similarly, pole to the image, the distance from pole to the image is called image distance. And similarly here, the distance from pole to the object, distance from pole to the object is called object distance. Object distance can be denoted by the letter capital U. V means image distance, U mean object distance, F means focal length. పోల్ నుంచి ఫోకస్ కున్న డిస్టెన్స్ని ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అంటాం. పోల్ నుంచి ఇమేజ్ కున్న డిస్టెన్స్ని ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ అంటాం. పోల్ నుంచి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కున్న డిస్టెన్స్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ అంటాం. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్లో చూపిస్తుంది. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం మిర్రర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటాం. మిర్రర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటాం. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u is called mirror equation. So in part B also ask like this, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In that v stands for dash. Options will be given. Got my point? In part B questions, in mirror equation 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In that u stands for dash, f stands for dash, u stands for dot, and v dash, like that. So that's why that much of important topic for 2 marks, and at the same time part B also. And we can use this one for so many problems also. Okay, na? That's why don't neglect that one. It is simply about the mirror equation. Now coming to the topic, finding the focal length of a concave mirror by using some activity. So here how we can find out the focal length. of a concave mirror by using some activity. We have to do this one in laboratory. So మన ఫిజిక్స్ ల్యాబ్లో మనం చేద్దాం, బట్ కాకపోతే పరిస్థితులు బాగాలేవు. బట్ ఐ విల్ upload one video in future. Children, now here it is the V stand. What is that? This one is V stand. In that V stand we have to insert one concave mirror. Step 1 is what? We have to take one V stand. So it is like V stand, slit is there, and now it is called V stand. In that V stand, what you have to keep first? We have to keep some concave mirror as shown in figure. So inserted. After that, here just in front of a concave mirror we have to take the one candle or any electric bulb. So in our textbook it is given some candle. Clear? We are taking some meter scale. By using that meter scale we are taking some distance from here pole to the mirror to the object is I am taking now initially 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters we are taken. After inserting a mirror in the V stand, concave mirror in the V stand, and we are taking some distance. How much distance? 30 centimeters from the mirror, and there we have to keep some one candle, and here flame of the candle. What's that? Flame of the candle is the here object. This is the object. Clear? Just now only I told you distance from pole to the object, what we call object distance. That's why here the 30 centimeters what we are taken, that is the object distance. So here you have to record all the values in a tabular form. For example, here we are taking like this table, serial number U V, and 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Clear? So you have to take the one tabular form. In that first serial number what we are taken, U is 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. Children, up to now we discussed only 2 points. The first thing is what? First we have to take the one V stand. In that what you have to keep some concave mirror. After that, with the help of a meter scale, we have to select the object distance from the mirror, and here what is the object? Candle flame. Clear? So we are taking some candle that should be lighting with the help of a matchbox, and here we should keep here. That must be performed in a closed room. You have to close all the windows and doors like that. So here now it is lighting. So here the flame is the object now. Clear? With the help of the meter scale we are taken 30 centimeters from the mirror, and now the candle is the object. Candle is the object, and it is the mirror is pole of the mirror, and this is the object. Now what it is called? Object distance. Here what I told you, pole to object, what it is called? Object distance. That's why 30 centimeters what we are taken, that should be mentioned as the object distance. Object distance. After that, children, we have to keep the screen. We have to keep the screen here. Almost all you can observe that should be like in the form of V shape. Clear? So here object is here now. From other side, in front of the concave mirror, we have to keep some screen. Screen is nothing but a wooden frame or a white paper or anything. So we are taking some screen. The screen should be placed in front of the concave mirror, and we are slowly moving towards the mirror. Clear? We are taking some screen. For example, here there is no image on that one. Simply here we are taking some screen like a paper, anything, whatever may be. So simply that screen is slowly moving towards to the concave mirror until where we will get the image of that particular candle. Got my point? So object పెట్టిన తర్వాత concave mirror కి opposite లో in front of the concave mirror we have to take one screen, and from long distance we have to move the screen towards the mirror until where we will get the image on the screen. Where we are getting the very clear image, there you have to stop and you have to identify the image whether it is clear or not. So children, here got my point. From here, for example, initially I kept the screen here and slowly moving towards the mirror at this position. We can observe now here we are getting the clear image. So we are getting the clear image of the flame of the candle. You have to observe now the candle should be like this, and here it is inverted. The flame here, it is object. Now when we are captured or when we are obtain the image of the flame on the screen, that should be seems like this. That is what inverted. How it is inverted? That's why here this image is what we call real image. What is that? Real image. We captured on the screen and that is the real image, and image should be here inverted. What's that? Inverted. And now when we are getting the clear image, then you have to stop the screen there only, and now we have to measure the distance from mirror to the screen. For example, here we are taking some 45 centimeters. Then here it is the mirror pole and it is the image. Mirror to the image, what we call image distance. Pole to the image, what we call image distance. That's why what we measured with the help of the scale, how much? 45 centimeters. These 45 centimeters can be considered as image distance, and that should be mentioned in the table. So U is in terms of centimeters, V also in terms of centimeters. Clear? Already we got U value, already we are taken U value, and we got 45. So for 30 centimeters of the distance, we are getting the image distance is what? 45. And by substituting these two in this mirror equation, we will get some one F value. Clear? This is the procedure, children, to do the find the focal length. Now we have to repeat the same procedure. We have to change the here. First we are taking 30. Now we can go for 40, and after you go for 50, you go for 60, next 70. By changing the U values, you have to find out the corresponding V values. First 30 తీసుకున్నాము, తర్వాత V వాల్యూని 45 కి అబ్టైన్ చేసినాం, తీసుకున్నాం, కనుక్కున్నాం. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ద U value 40. So you have to repeat the procedure what we discussed up to now. For every U value you may get one V value. By substituting the U value, V value in the mirror equation, we will get F value. So here for these two values we will get one F value. For these two we are getting one F value. So by taking the all of them average, that will use the exact focal length of the concave mirror. So this is the experimental procedure to find out the focal length of a concave mirror, children. ఒక్కసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను, జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. వెరీ సింపుల్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అండ్ వెరీ ఈజీ and very important too for examination point of view. So first ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? First we have to take the one V stand. In that what you have to keep some concave mirror. V stand తీసుకున్నాం, దాంట్లో ఒక concave mirror ని ఉంచాం. After that, in front of the concave mirror at particular one position we have to place the object. ఆ మిర్రర్ ముందు కొంత డిస్టెన్స్లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని ఉంచాలి. ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటి? క్యాండిల్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఫ్లేమ్. సో కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఉంచాలనుకున్నాం, మిర్రర్ ముందు క్యాండిల్ ఉంచాలనుకున్నాం. దానికోసం ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ది వన్ డిస్టెన్స్. సో హౌ మచ్ we are taken? 30 centimeters. These 30 centimeters can be taken as U. What is U? Object distance. క్లియర్. సో 30 మిర్రర్ నుంచి 30 సెంటీమీటర్స్ దూరంలో క్యాండిల్ని ఉంచాము. ఇక్కడ దాకా క్లియర్. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి, అదే మిర్రర్ ముందు ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ది స్క్రీన్. సో స్క్రీన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టాం. పెట్టిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, వీ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ అట్ ఎవ్రీ పొజిషన్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఒక పొజిషన్ దగ్గర స్క్రీన్ పెట్టాము, అప్పుడు ఆ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలి. సో ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కాలేదు. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మూవ్ ది స్క్రీన్. మూవింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్ మీన్స్ వాట్, చేంజింగ్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్క్రీన్. సో ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చాం, మళ్ళీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసాం, దొరకలేదు, ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కాలేదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు మూవ్ ద స్క్రీన్ టువర్డ్స్ ది మిర్రర్ అంటిల్ వేర్ వీ విల్ గెట్ ది ఇమేజ్. సో ఎక్కడైతే ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అయిన ద చోట యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాప్ ద స్క్రీన్ అండ్ ద ఇమేజ్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ క్లియర్. ఎక్కడైతే క్లియర్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందో దేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాప్ ది స్క్రీన్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మెజర్ ది డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ మిర్రర్ టు ది image. That should be how much we are taken, and that should be how much we got, 45 centimeters. ఇమేజ్ అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక స్కేల్ తీసుకొని వాటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము. అది 45 సెంటీమీటర్స్ వచ్చింది. ఈ 45 సెంటీమీటర్స్ని మనం ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ అంటాము. కాబట్టి దట్ షుడ్ బి నోటెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ టేబుల్ యాజ్ 45 సెంటీమీటర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ V. Clear. Now we have to repeat the same procedure by changing the values of u. U values ni change chestu v values ni find out cheyali. So after getting all the v values, we have to go for calculations. So you have to substitute the u value, v value in the mirror equation. You may get one focal length value. So we have to find out the focal lengths individually. After that, you have to take the average of all these values, then it will give the one accurate value, that is the focal length of concave mirror what we are using in the laboratory for that experiment. So children, this is about the finding of focal length of a concave mirror by using lab activity. Clear children? So I hope you understand. ఇది మీకు అర్థమైనట్టయితే ఒక లైక్, ఒక షేరు, ఒక కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఈ కంటెంట్ని మీకు బాగా అర్థం చేసుకున్నట్టయితే, మీరు ఇంప్రెస్ అయినట్టయితే యూ హ్యావ్ టు షేర్ టు ది అదర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ సజెస్ట్ దెమ్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? బాయ్, టేక్ కేర్. We will meet in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye.